We're gonna be destroying it.
Chainsaw, hammer, blowtorch, or even throw it through the window.
Great idea. A Nerf gun.
God, you missed. Look, Jill, not even a scratch on. Not even a scratch on. Oh, I've changed into my boxing gear.
Come on, Martin. Come on, Martin. Come on, Martin. Come on, Martin. You can do it, Martin. Use that big muscle. 1. Oh, Martin.
Destroyer.
That weapon destroyed everything.
I will destroy you.
I'm gonna run that darn thing over. We go! The games are over now. It's time to get serious. Anthony! What is this thing made of?
Why's he not doing anything? Nothing's happening. Not even melt.
Final weapon, chainsaw.
Got to keep going. Got to keep going.
Oh my God, Martin! You've completely obliterated the front.
To do. Chainsaw through the Morgz writing on the back. Got to keep going. Got to keep going. Guys, I think my job is now done.